Hello and welcome to Jelly Baby Team Airsoft. I'm a new player to the sport, with 2 months under my belt at the time of making this video. I will be uploading videos of highlights of games all the way through my journey, from a few games of rental spec to my own gear and loadout as I build my progression. Occasionally, my dad will be joining me to some games across different sites in the future. I will always try to show the good... Medic!
Coming in front of you.
Follow me.
Grab you on your way through.
Oh.
Go.
Yeah. Oh, nice one, lads.
Oh. Right, blue smoke, is that ours? Did we drop that?
Wasn't me.
Thank you very much, mate.
No problem.
The bad... Oh shit, yeah.
You alright?
Like that.
Oh, Oscar, I did warn you. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just need a minute. And the comedic moments from this incredible sport.
Please, medic!
Dragon, be on cover. Dragon. Oh, sorry, mate.
Oh,
Sorry, you alright?
No, I'm upside down now. Oh, lift your leg, lad. What's going on? Who's dragging me, man? Just pass the medic.
Do we need your tag, or can we use...
I will just pretend you have one.
I will also be making videos on how I got into the sport, and how you can too. It's much easier than you might think, so look out for those videos. I will also do videos running down my loadout as I build it, if you're interested. If this is your sort of content, then please come along and join in.